Hello. So this video is going to be on replacing alcohol with positive habits and activities. So one of the things that I was doing whenever I was drinking, especially kind of like halfway through all my drinking, was being single and being in the dorms on base. So I didn't have a lot going on. I was pretty much bored trying to pick up some chick to talk to or whatever on the weekends, and I was getting wasted. I was getting drunk, because what else am I supposed to do? Is at least what I would tell myself. So that I was out well, at least on the weekends, hitting the clubs and doing what it do. And that was also a place where everybody, of course, was drinking. And everybody else that I was partying with was pre-gaming before we started the drinking. Kind of trying to save some money at the club, because alcohol in the club is expensive, for those of you guys that know. So that was my life. I also worked for the military, which can be crappy a lot. So I also, I guess that's an excuse, but use that as reasoning behind why I would drink, and as well as, the fact that we had to do a lot of different exercises and my body would hurt from some of those. So I would also try and use it to numb the pain a little bit. And those were my habits, activities, and all of it involved drinking. So changing those habits, getting married whenever I was younger, and getting out of the military, getting into the civilian workforce, which is a whole lot easier. And yeah, having a kid and having a very good reason to want to give up as much drinking as I was doing. All of these things started to come into play as to how I would start going about my life. And another one, the fact that I stopped clubbing, just generally, I think that helped too. But playing the game every now and then, or going somewhere out with the family, and really almost changing my whole world. I mean, I wasn't around the people who I worked with who were heavy drinkers, and of course lived in the same dorms with also people that I worked with lived in my dorms, at least the younger guys that weren't married yet. And then whenever I got married, I was still on base in this neighborhood full of people who still drank and got together to do drinking activities. So I changed all of that up. I have my fun in going to the mall, or going out to eat, or going shopping somewhere, versus drinking. And that was a major twist up and switch for me to kind of gain some control over my life, and to, from the way that I see it, make my life a whole lot better than it used to be, because things suck whenever you just can't control yourself. You want to drink all the time, but then you also get the anxiety knowing that you can get in trouble for it, whether it's getting fired from your job or pulled over. So that I'm sober now, but a big part of my drinking in the past has actually been from airports. Like, I done did a lot of drinking up in the airports. Yeah. Dang near throwing a party up in there almost. Getting wasted. Same on the airplane. So we actually all got loaded up. Yeah. Where my 2 shots of jacket. Now on it pronto. But that was the past, man. And, you know, that dude sucked. But, hey, change things. You can change your life. You can live your life differently. I'm currently living my life differently, and I feel a lot better for it. If you would like more information or more help from me, you can visit my site in the description. I have digital products aimed at the same topic. I also have my consulting number there for over-the-phone consulting, 1 hour a week for a month. And I also have a course coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. And stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe so that we can grow this community and get out the good word and change your life up. Stop doing all that dumb stuff